sir, can you please confirm the timing?
Yeah. So good evening, everyone. In our last video, we started a new batch on data structures and algorithms with Python. Okay, we started a new batch on data structures and algorithms with Python, sir. Okay, so the title of this course is this is the first data structures and algorithm Python batch. So DSA PB1. The timings of this class is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Every day, 1 hour class will be there. The duration of this course is 2 to 3 months because it is the very first batch, right? I'm collecting so much of stuff from this and I'm adding. The duration of this course is nothing but 2 to 3 months you will have. The fees for this batch is rupees 999. Running notes and videos you are going to get with 7 months access. So if you want to get registered for this, you can contact to these numbers so that our admin team will share the details regarding this payment, all these things. Or you can inquire Durga Soft online training at gmail.com. And I think yesterday video, I explained very clearly about the topics, what we are going to cover, what we are going to cover in our data structures classes, sir. Okay. Sir, now let us start today's session. Today, sir, I have one doubt. Yeah, no problem. You will receive soon. Sir, now today, just I want to give some introduction to Python, sir. Okay, introduction to Python, how you can able to practice the programs, all these things. Sir. Okay, sir, maybe we are going to discuss some important terminologies related to this Python. Sir, here I want to implement. Okay, I want to go with, sir, all admin related queries we will discuss at the end. Please concentrate on the content, sir. Okay. Sir, what is mean by algorithm? I want to give some just clarity about this algorithm. Sir, what is mean by algorithm? Very simple. We know very well step by step. Okay, step by step process. Okay, sir, step by step process for solving any problem. For solving any problem is called as an algorithm. An algorithm. If you want to solve any problem, sir, what steps you are going to follow, that is nothing but algorithm. Best example, I want to perform addition of three numbers. Addition of three numbers. Sir, for this, I want to prepare algorithm. How we will prepare? Sir, my step one is nothing but we have to read a value. We have to read a value from the user. What is the second step? We have to read b value from the user. We have to read b value from the user. What is a step 3? We have to read c value from the user. Like this, we have to read three values. What is a step 4? We have to calculate. We have to calculate sum is equal to, what is the logic that we have, sir? A plus b plus c. And at last, we have to print or we have to return the result. We have to print or we have to return the result called sum. Very simple, right? Addition of three numbers of program. How beautifully we have implemented, you can see. Just I have written algorithm for solving this problem. Okay. Sir, have you observed just basic terminology, sir? Normal, even a layman can understand. Even the person who don't know anything about programming can understand these instructions, right? How simple. The definition of algorithm is very simple, sir. So when your problem is very small, okay, if you are having knowledge of any programming language, directly you can solve. Suppose if the problem size is increasing, keep on the problem size is increasing. In such cases, what we have to do? You need to look for the better solution, sir. You need to look for a better solution. In such cases, to simplify that complexity, we have to write some process. We have to write some process. So that step-by-step process is there, right? That is called as algorithm. That is called as algorithm. Sir, even we have another concept is also there, which is nothing but a flow chart. Flow chart. If you observe, maybe in your beginning days you have studied about this. So diagrammatic representation, or so, or pictorial representation of an algorithm is called as a flowchart. Pictorial representation of this algorithm is called as a flowchart. Of course, I am not going to write any algorithm here, I mean flowchart here. You can see in the diagram, so you are going to get this flowchart. First we have to read three numbers, then we have to calculate sum, and then we have to print the result. If you want, just have a look once. Sum of three numbers flowchart. Okay, sir, are you seeing any images here? Have you observed? Just a basic thing, sir. Sir, are you seeing here? We have to start, we have to read the values, and of course they have calculated average. Sum also will be there in this style on. So is it a diagrammatic representation or not? Yes, this is called as flow chart. Sometimes if you are unable to understand the problem statement, we can write a diagram also. So after preparing this algorithm and flow chart, we have to go for implementation. For this implementation, you can select any programming language. For this implementation, you can select any programming language. But here, which programming language we are using for implementation purpose? We are using Python, sir. Okay, we are going to develop these applications based on Python. Okay, I think you know very well about this Python program. Okay, so if I want to prepare a simple Python program, how to do this? Just we have to go for any editor and you have to choose the programming language as a Python, and you have to save the code. Sir, where I am going to save the code here is in C drive. I will create a folder. So with name 8pm. In this, I will store this file. What is the file name? Test.py. Remember carefully, the file extension for this Python is nothing but always .py. .py is the extension for Python file. .py is the extension for Python file. Just after saving, you have to write your program. Sir, how to print a simple message on the screen? Because Python is all rounder, right? We can write scripts, scripting programming we can write. So we can write object oriented programming. We can write functional programming also, no problem at all. Okay, but as of now, I don't want to do in detail in this. Just I will take one simple Python program to print that hello message. Simply I'm going to take a print of hello. Sir, what will happen? Is this message will be printed on the screen or not? Yes. Sir, how to run this? You have to open command prompt. You have to open command prompt. Where you have saved your file, you need to move to that location. CD space 8pm. In this folder only we have typed our programs, right? We saved our programs in this folder. Now I want to take a py space test.py. If you press enter key, automatically you can able to see how we can able to print that message on the screen. Okay, we can able to see how we can able to print that message on the screen. Sir, a very simple basic program I explained, sir. A very simple basic program I explained. Sir, I think you people got clarity about how to prepare our first Python application. Can you please confirm anyone having doubt in this? Yeah, Prasad, even if you don't have any knowledge in Python, no problem. Up to certain level, you can manage. I request everyone to please confirm. Clear up to this? Right. Sir, now I want to write this algorithm, sir, I want to implement this algorithm. Already we have taken, right? So this algorithm is there, right? I want to implement this. How we can able to do this? Sir, I am reading one integer value from the user. So enter a value like this. I am asking the user. Similarly, enter B value, enter C value. Like I am asking the user to enter these three values. What is the formula? Sum is equal to A plus B plus C. Then I am printing, so in a formatted string saying, so sum is equal to within flower bracket sum. At the time of execution, so whatever variable you have taken within this flower bracket, that value is there, right? It will substitute this value here. Have you observed? Within flower bracket, whatever you have taken in this entire place, this value, whatever you calculated, that will be substituted. That is the beauty of this FSR, formatted string. That is the beauty of this formatted string. Now let us check really whether we are getting the required sum or not. But anyway, we have to supply the input, right? Let us run this program again. Py space test.py I am giving. Once if you press enter, it is asking enter a value. Sir, my a value is a 10. Enter B value. Sir, my B value is 20. Enter C value. Sir, my C value is nothing but 30. Have you observed? Sum is equal to 60. We got a sum is equal to 60. Like this we got, sir. Okay. So this is nothing but how to implement this particular program for to meet our requirements. Okay. Sir, I covered one simple application, sir. What is mean by algorithm? So example, to calculate addition of three numbers, I explained flowchart. So, and even diagrammatic representation also we have seen, and how to implement that particular program, I explained very clearly for you people. Can you please confirm in this entire process, do you have any doubts? Yes, please confirm. In this entire process, do you have any doubts? Clear, right? Everyone, please respond.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Now, anyway, some theory point is there. Let me cover that theory point. What is that? Is, sir, by writing this algorithm, what advantage we are going to have? Advantages. Okay, advantages of algorithm or flowchart. Sir, what is the advantages of these things? Very simple, sir. The first point here is, sir, our problem will be simplified. Our problem will be simplified, sir. That is nothing but the biggest advantage, simplified. Okay, that is the first one. Second one, sir, easy to understand problem statement, and so easy to write, easy to understand the problem statement, and easy to implement, easy to understand problem statement, and easy to implement the problem, or easy to implement the solution purpose. Next, sir, one more thing. Have you observed? Suppose consider I want to do one simple activity like, for example, I have a tree is there. Okay, I have a tree is there. So in this tree, I want to check whether an element is available or not. Okay, or consider it is a BST. BST stands for binary search tree, sir. BST stands for binary search tree. So if you want to insert data into this binary search tree, there should be some proper format. What is that format? So the elements which are there in the left side should be always less than root node, and the elements which are available in the right subtree always greater than always greater than root node. Have you observed? Is it a simple piece of code, sir? So this problem is very simple problem. Now I have a big tree is there. I have a big tree is there, and I have to check whether this tree is a binary search tree or not. I have to check. Okay, we have to check whether this tree is binary search tree or not. Sir, what will happen? By seeing this problem statement itself, you people are going to get confused. Array, sir, these many nodes are there. How you can able to compare this? Sir, please wait when class is going on. Amir Khan, can you please wait? Right. Sir, like I have a bigger problem is there. I have a bigger problem is there. But sir, this small chota problem is there, right? This is the small problem. Sir, this is nothing but a big problem. If you know solution for this, we can combine the solutions of these individual trees. Have you observed? Is this is in this format or yes? Sir, is this in this format or yes? Is this in this format or not? Yes. Sir, is this in this format or not? Yes. Sir, is this in this format or not? Yes. Have you observed? Because of developing a small algorithm, we got a proper format. I can say a proper format or a pattern, okay, or a template for the bigger problem, sir. Right? How beautifully we can implement this. Anyway, we will see that. But so the smallest individual component. So if you understand clearly that the solution or that particular code, whatever you are going to write, it will give you a format for big problem. Just one or two lines we have to change. Rest of the things are same. I think recursively we have to apply this process. Okay, recursively we have to apply this process. Now, what is the format? What is the fourth point here? Sir, we will get a format. We will get a format, or we will get a template, or we will get a pattern to solve the problem. To solve the problem, we are going to get a particular format or a template or pattern, sir. That is nothing but the biggest advantage what we are going to get with the help of this algorithm or flowchart. Okay, then sir, some of the properties of algorithm is there, sir. If you are telling to develop algorithm, can we directly develop the algorithm? No, you should not. There are some properties we have to follow. What is the first property? Is nothing but compulsory your algorithm should take either 0 or more inputs. Okay, your algorithm compulsory your algorithm has to accept either no inputs or more number of values you have to supply. This is nothing but the first property. Second property, sir, one or more output should be produced. Okay, sir, inputs can be 0, no problem, because I have implemented a program. So to print a list of prime numbers from 2 to 100. For this program, do we require any input? No input, no input, no input, but we will get output. Or you can give an input like a number n. So it has to return either true or false, whether it is prime number or not. So output is mandatory, but input is optional. That's why I told here it can accept either 0 or more inputs, but output should be compulsory. At least one output should be produced, or I can say, so I can say here at least one output should be there. Like this we can take. Then third property, deterministic. Sir, what is mean by deterministic? Sir, very simple. We have to get same output for same input again and again. Sir, I applied first time addition of two numbers. I have given input as 1 and 2. My program responded output as a 3. Sir, after 1 hour, I supplied 1 comma 2. Now it is responding 4. Sir, is it a good algorithm? No. Your algorithm should be deterministic. That means what? You can supply some input means if you are getting any output, if you supply same input, you have to get the same output at any point of situation. So there should not be any disturbance. Then whatever algorithm you are writing, it should be correct, sir. You should not miss the logic, or you should not write unnecessary code. It should be correct. It should be correct for the given problem statement. Next, compulsory, it should terminate at finite steps. It should terminate at finite steps. Okay, means I can say base condition. Base condition. This is very, very important for any algorithm. So suppose consider I want to calculate addition of two numbers. The user is keep on giving two numbers. I have to take and I have to calculate the addition. First time user given 1 and I printed 3. Again user is giving some other number. I printed output. Like how many times? There should be an ending. So if ending is not there, then it will leads to infinite execution. Performance is going to be down like anything. So we should not do that. Compulsory, your algorithm should terminate at a finite steps. Algorithm in the sense I am talking about a program, sir. Okay, maybe you have seen in different scenarios because of this proper base condition. So at a certain point, the program is going to stop. If you are not writing the proper base condition, it leads to infinite. So maybe you have seen several times about this, but don't worry, we will discuss about this later. Then, sir, your algorithm, whatever you are writing, it should be very efficient. That means, sir, your logic should be clear, sir. Logic should be clear. Very efficiently, you have to write. Okay. This is nothing but what are the advantages of algorithm and what are the properties, what are the minimum properties what we have for any algorithm. Can you please confirm algorithm, flowchart, how to implement if you are getting any problem, and what are the advantages while writing program, what properties you have to remember, what properties you need to maintain. I think you people got clear clarity, sir. Can you please confirm any doubts up to this? Someone is asking, sir, what is mean by pseudocode? Pseudocode is also same thing, sir. Something like algorithm and flowchart. But in this human readable code, we are going to write like if I want to read the data, we will write like this. Okay, if you want to compute C is equal to A plus B, something like this, we will write in a common programming language code. Okay. Sir, I am requesting everyone to please respond. Is the concept is clear for you people? Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Aman Agarwal, thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
the 6 point efficient logic should be clear and explain.
Yeah, logic should be clearly, you have to, if you, for example, if you take any problem, we have multiple solutions, multiple logics we can write. But in that logic, which is efficient, we have to identify and then we have to put. Got it?
Efficiency means in terms of what?
Sir, in terms of time and space complexities, okay, or in terms of the response, how my program is giving, that we will discuss later. But I am telling, while writing, it should be very efficient with respect to time and space. Just as of now, remember that. Clear? Yes, I request everyone to please confirm. Clear up to this?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Right. Next. next and after that, sir, the basics I provided. The basics I provided. Now, sir, we will go with one small application. We will go with one small application so that we can get some clarity. Okay, one small application I want to develop, but continuation is there. Don't worry, we will continue that. Sir, I want to develop one small applications. In these, we have some second chapter is there. So Python, sorry, not second chapter, fourth chapter. We have some sample algorithms and implementations are there. Around 30 programs we are going to do. In that one example I am taking here. What is the example here is, I want to write a Python program to read a string, and so convert so all even indexed values into uppercase. Okay, that's all. This is nothing but my requirement. We have to read a string, and in that string we have to convert all the even indexed values into uppercase. This is nothing but what is my requirement. Sir, let us analyze this. Sir, if I am having ABC as the string, sir, my expected output is nothing but ABC like this. Suppose if I have ABCD is there, my expected output is ABCD like this. Sir, if we have ABCDE is there, my expected output is AB, sir, CDE like this. Have you observed? So since ABC means S of 0 is nothing but A, S of 1 is nothing but B, S of 2 is nothing but C, like this we have. Sir, in this, which characters are located in even location? Sir, have you observed? A and then C. So those two characters we have to get here. This is nothing but the problem statement what we have. Sir, how to find out a solution for this? How to find out solution for this? Very simple, sir. Sir, first step, we have to read some input from the user. I am asking enter any string. You can provide any string, no problem at all. Sir, do you know you can print that string as it is? You can print that string as it is. Okay. Let us provide some standard input. I am giving Prakash. Sir, if you print yes, what will happen? Okay, so I will take Prakash Babu something like this. Prakash Babu something like this. Okay, sir, what output we are going to get? Prakash Babu. Can I convert this string into lowercase? Yes, no problem. Sir, all these characters we are going to get in lowercase. Sir, can I convert it into uppercase? No problem. You will get all these characters in uppercase. Okay. All these characters in uppercase. For example, let me take BA like this. Okay. Sir, now can I use the swap case? Swap case means what? All uppercase characters will be converted into lowercase, and all lowercase characters will be converted into uppercase. Like that we will get. Sir, can I print S dot title case? Title case means what? Every word first character alone will be converted into title. Similarly, we have capitalize is there. What it is going to do? Sentence first character will be converted into capital letter. Let us run. Sir, are you seeing these differences? Lower given string, lowercase characters, uppercase characters. Okay, sir, swap case, title case. This is nothing but capitalize. All these things we got right. Okay, sir. Now these inbuilt functions are already there, sir. For us, these inbuilt functions are already there. Sir, I want to do this requirement means I don't have any inbuilt function. Can I define my own function? Yes, you have to define. Sir, I'm going to define my own function. What is that function is, sir, my fun, my function, which will take a string s or anything you can take, which will take a string s or anything you can take. Sir, now you have to write code here. Now, sir, if you call that my function by passing your s as an input, it will give your requirement. What is your requirement? Sir, even location characters. Okay, even indexed values will be converted into capital letters and odd, sorry, yeah, even here AKEASH, and space also will be counted for odd, and this will become even and odd, even, odd. Like this we are going to get. Okay, sir, let us see, is it possible to do this or not? Yes, compulsory we have to. Okay, so we have to do this. Okay, ayyo, 1 second. Right, sir, can you please confirm? Of course I will fulfill this requirement later. Is the concept is clear for you people? Please confirm, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please confirm, is the concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, now what I am going to do is I will put all these statements in comments except last one, because I need to do some alteration on this. Sir, what is that alteration? Try to print the given string as it is. Try to print the given string as it is. Okay, 1 second. Here return type they are expecting. Better I will return the string as it is. So whatever string you have given, you will get it. Now, sir, I need to convert. Okay, I need to convert this string into list, so that I will return that list. Sir, is that characters got converted into individual, that entire string got converted into individual characters or not? Yes. Now, sir, what I am going to do is I will take another list, LL with empty, for each element present in the main list. For each element present in the main list, one by one element I am selecting. So what we have to do here, better I will write for each I value in the range of length of L. What is the length of this string? So those many characters will be there, right? So here 0 1 2 sorry 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 characters are there. That means here it will substitute to 12. So 12 means how many times? 0 to 11. Whenever you are getting 0th character, is it even or not? Yes. If I percentage 2 is equal to 0, it is even. Then LL dot append of L of I dot upper. Can you please convert it into upper and then put it into the new list? Beautiful, beautiful, right? Sir, can I do alteration on the same list? Yes, we can do. Oh, yes, we can do. Okay, what I can take here, I think L of I will become, sir, L of I dot upper. That's all right. Now, else if it is not even index, then L of I will remain as it is. I think no need to write. No need to write. Now return the list. Return the list. Okay, return the list. Let us see what will happen. Let us see what will happen. Sir, are you seeing even indexed values got converted into capital letter or not? Yes. Sir, let us check not equal to. So means what? Hard characters will comes under capital letter. Are you getting the points? Beautiful. But here something is wrong. Just cross check once, because here character. Okay, we will check it. We will check it. Okay. Now, sir, is it coming perfectly for even? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is working perfectly. Okay. Now, fine, sir. It is working perfectly for order. Okay. Now, I think the given string is already, it is having some capital letters. That's why there is an issue with the lowercase. Sir, what you can able to do? Try to convert it into lowercase. Okay, so that you can avoid this one. Now if you take not equal to also, it will work, sir. Yes, beautiful. Like this we have. Sir, now I don't want list, I want a string. Sir, have you observed we have join method is there? If you pass any list it will join all the characters present in this list with empty. So in your list, we have P. P R continuously without any space, it will add. Without any space, it will add and it will return. Now execute this code. Sir, is my requirement got fulfilled or not? Yes. This is nothing but how you can able to do, sir. Okay, this is nothing but how you can able to do. Okay. Someone is 1 second. Someone has written this code. S is equal to modified string. Yeah, it will also work. But just we have, I already told, right, for a single problem, we will have multiple solutions. Just we need to identify which is best. That's all. Okay. Right. Sir, is this very easy or not? Sir, can you please confirm, is this concept is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, is it required to convert to list directly? We can work with the string.
How? Without converting, we can't solve this problem because our requirement is like that. We can't do modifications on the string. Yes. Clear for everyone, please confirm.
Sir, how to do this one without using upper method function?
Sir, that we will discuss later, sir. Definitely, I will cover that.
Okay, sir.
Based on ASCII values concept, you have to do.
Sir, we can use over here split method also. And split return type is directly list.
No, we can't use it, sir. If I want to use a split, definitely there should be a delimiter. But it is the string, right? If I apply split method, it will return Prakash as a separate string, Babu as a separate string.
But split return type is list, no?
Yeah, it will return list only, sir. You can see. So print of s dot split means based on space, it will split. You will get a list with 2 elements.
Okay.
But we need individual characters. Right?
Yeah. Got it.
Right, sir. Sir, have you observed how beautiful this Python is to solve this problem? Very simple algorithm, sir. So we converted. Okay. So I think you got a very clear clarity about the first problem statement and even how I executed. You people got clarity, sir. Sir, clear up to this? Once again, please confirm everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Like this, first practice purpose, around some 10 days, we are going to cover around 30 programs and the basics of these algorithms, how to calculate time and space complexities. All these things we are going to discuss in the very beginning days itself. Around some 10 or 15 days, we are going to talk about these things only. Okay. Then we will start our actual data structures, because if you are very clear with the fundamentals, happily we can able to do any kind of application happily, sir. Okay, that part we are going to discuss in detail. So with this, I'm going to stop today's session. The people who are interested to continue in this batch, so you can able to follow these instructions. Okay, you can able to follow these instructions and you can make the payment, sir. Right. If you are having any queries, please let me know.
Sir, in this, can you show the program? Sir, in this, the return type, and that return type you are storing in S variable, right?
No. I'm not storing the return type. This function is taking the string. It is doing some activity. At last, it is returning something. Whatever it is returning, I am printing by using this print statement, because whenever I made a call to this, it is returning something that I am printing.
But the return type also we can save, means we can save in another variable.
Yeah, you can take s is equal
Because
to
if you have just call the function, you not print the function, so it will not show anything, right?
No. So, see, if return type is there, you have to call only in the print statement. If there is no return type, directly you can call.
No. the return type is over there. You can call as a normal function. You don't, because print is also function. In print function, you are giving another function, taking
No,
as
no,
a
no. See, my function is taking, I'm giving some string, sir. It is taking this string and it is returning something. You have to print that, right? For that, I'm using print function.
Sir, can you comment that, and you can just call this function my function dot s. What would be that?
So only you are expecting my function of
function.
yes.
Yes, yes.
It won't print anything.
Yeah. That was my point. It will
Yeah,
not
it
show
won't print
anything.
anything. Yeah, definitely. Because it is returning something you have to catch.
Yeah, that return type, my
Yes,
function, you are storing in one variable. SS.
yes, you can do like this and then you can print SS.
That one.
Now you will get it. So why unnecessary variables storage? That's why
Yeah.
I'm replacing this one here.
Sir, this loop is running one time.
Which loop? For loop?
Yes, sir.
No, it is depending on the number of characters present in the string. This
Like,
loop
sir,
will run
first
twice.
first time it will run for Prakash and second time for Babu. It is
No,
not
no,
the
no,
case.
no. Sir, that is not the case. See, I'm converting this. First, I'm converting this entire string into lowercase. Got it? I'm typecasting to list. So every individual character we are going to get. That's why in the beginning itself, I told you can see. So that entire list we are going to get. Here, if you want, you can print the value of L. So see what will happen here. We are going to get a big list with all the individual characters.
Okay, sir.
Now we are working on every individual character. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. When is your logic programming is going to start? Don't worry. Maybe next week I will inform the timings and the dates. Sir, don't worry. It will be started in the first week of April. Definitely. I will inform you. Don't worry. And even we will trigger a mail for everyone. Any other queries that you need to?
No, sir. Okay.
Sir, we can also use tuple here in place of list or not?
In the place of list, you can use a tuple. No, I think so. No, because tuple is immutable, right? Here we are
Yes.
doing the modification.
Okay, yes.
It won't accept.
Yes.
Sir, here the original string won't be affected, right?
Mhm.
So the original string will
Yeah,
not
won't be
affected.
affected. Yes, definitely. Because string is immutable, right? After this, if you print a string, what will happen? You will get the original string. If you want, you can see whatever original content is there, it is there. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
Sir, thank you.
Right, sir.
What will